To create a new quiz, click on the blue plus button in the frog bar at the top. In the pop-up, choose Quiz. This will open the Quiz Builder tool where we can start to input our new quiz details. The first thing we have to do is identify the quiz with a name, a key stage, and a subject. In this example, I'm going to create an end-of-term maths quiz. I'll do this for Year 8, which is Key Stage 3. I can choose to add instructions for the students before they start the quiz, so I'll just make a note for students to refer to their numbers revision notes. I can also add images or files, such as revision guides here too. At the bottom you have the ability to link to videos, either YouTube or Vimeo videos, and these will appear at the start of the quiz as well. Once you're happy with that, you can click Next, and this is where you can start building your quiz questions. There are 13 different question types you can add into a quiz, but I'm only going to run through a few of them in this video, so please do have a play around with the other options when you get a chance. I'd like my first question to be a multiple choice question, so I'll click on that option, and then from this sub-menu you can see I have 4 different possibilities. There is multiple choice, text-based answers to choose from, picture multiple choice, the same as the above but image-based, true or false, where we filled in the answers for you, you just have to specify which one's correct, and matrix MCQ, which provides you with a grid of answers, then students can select the correct answers by row and column. Whichever question type I choose, the process is the same. For this example, I'm using the standard multiple choice option and typing in my question. Note that it's rich text, and if I needed to, I can add formula using the editor. Next, I'll add a few possible answers below. After I've done this, I then need to select which one is the correct answer by clicking the tick on the right hand side here to highlight it green. More than one answer can be marked as correct, but if I do this, the student will have to select all correct answers in order to get the question right. The quizzes automatically jumble the answers each time, so prevent students memorising a path of correct results. Once I'm happy with that, I'll click Save and add this question to the quiz. So let's add another question. This time I'm going to select the free text option, and I'm going to ask a history related question. Underneath I can add my accepted answers. Free text allows students to type their answer in, and the quiz will scan through the text looking for matching answers. As you can see from my example, each line of the answer box can contain a different accepted answer. A useful feature of the free text question is the ability to change the marking accuracy. The default setting is exact, but if you're only interested in the knowledge of a student regardless of spelling, then you can choose to allow for mistakes, which is a really useful tool. I'm happy with that, so I'll click Save and add it to the quiz. For the next question, I'm going to add a matched pairs question. I'm going to set this question as if I was a language teacher testing my students' knowledge of French. So I'm giving them some instructions here, and now I'll make a start adding the pairs. As you can see, when you click on the big plus sign, you can upload an image, add media, or add some text. I'm just going for the simplest option, and I'm going to add some text. I have written the French word in the top box and the corresponding English word below it, and this is how the system knows they are a correct pair. When a student sees this question, the boxes on the top and bottom row will be jumbled around. I'll save that, and I'm going to add one more question, so I'll select a fill in the blanks question and then start adding some text. Once I'm happy, I need to highlight the area of text I want to blank out and then click the Select Answer button. When the student sees this question, the verb sat will be missing and they will need to fill in that blank. I'll click Save on that, and after making sure I'm happy with the quiz and I don't want to make any edits or create any new questions, I can hit the Save button, and as you can see, here is my new quiz in Frog Drive.